J-Speed, what's up all you fellow YouTubers, J-Speed fans? Hey, yeah, two-stroke for life. In my previous video, you heard that two-stroke snowmobile, the Yamaha 440 SS. And this one, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start this Prius. All right. However, what the heck? What's up? See that? Two-stroke. Still got the catalytic converter though. Oh crap! I probably should have said that. The last one. My uncle died of cancer. I gave him a catalytic converter because someone stole his. Just a horrible scenario. But anyways, we're gonna start this up and show you what it sounds like. And I gotta remember, not everybody has a Prius. You know, it's a super expensive electric car. This is a Type R. We got a light. We should be hearing this very soon. You ready for it? Whoa, kind of quiet. Oh, it hated that. So, it didn't like that. We'll make sure it's not going to do anything erratic. Well, you know what? I might be able to get it to start one more time. We'll see. Because that was pretty awesome, actually, for a second there. Nope, it's not cooperating. So maybe we'll try it on a different car later, but for now, this one, I'm not sure. J-Speed, thanks for looking. Peace out.